Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please, if it is your first time viewing, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload an exciting video, you notify. Let's solve this simple question on the board. Please, after watching, ensure you share the log ones so that others will learn from it. Okay. Now look at what you are given. You are given that log s base y plus log y base s equals to what? 26 divided by 5. And again, s multiplied by y is equals to what? 64. We can call this our what? Our equation 1. I can also call this our what? Equation what? 2, since we have two equations here. Now remember, we are asked to find the value of x and y. That means this is what, for me, is what simultaneous what? Equation involving what? Logarithm. Now our interest is from equation 1. Let's consider equation 1. What can we do about equation 1? Now we are going to do something very important about equation 1, because equation 1 is the main clause to this problem. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm having log y base x. Okay, I'm going to do change of base. Okay, change of base will help us a lot in this problem. Now I'm going to put everything here in base what? Base x. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have that this is what? Log, let me put base x divided by what? Log base what? X. Now I'm having x here, so I will put this x here. I'm having y here, so I will put this y here. Remember, this is change. I'm doing change of base. I'm going to put everything in base what? X. Okay, you can see that here is also in base s. So this one become what? Plus log what? Log s. So log y base what? X equals to what? 6 divided by what? 5. Is it not simple? Very simple. I've done it. I've done change of base. You can see I put everything here in base x. Okay. Now I can see that log y base x is common. Okay. I can see that let log what? Log y base x equals to what? P. Now log s base s is 1. Remember, log any number to its own base is what? 1, right? So all this here is what? 1 divided by, here is what? Here is p. Okay, plus what? P equals to 26 divided by what? 5. Now the denominator here is what? 1. Let's take our LCM. Our LCM is what? P. Okay, p divided by p will give us 1. 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. P divided by 1 equals p. P times p equals what? P square. Okay, this is what? P square equals to what? 26 divided by what? 5. Now from here we're going to cross multiply. So 5 times everything here, we're going to have that this is 5 into 1 plus what? P square equals to what? P multiplied by 26 will give us what? 26 what? P. Now 5 times 1 will give us 5. 5 times p square will give us what? 5p square. Okay, equals to what? 26 what? P. Now let's arrange this in the form of quadratic equation. So we're going to have that this is what? 5p square minus 26p, okay, plus what? 5 equals to what? 0. This is well-known quadratic equation. Let's solve for p. Now 5 times 5 gives us 25. So what are the factors of 25? Then when we multiply them, we have 25. Then when we add them or subtract them, we have minus what? Minus what? 6 minus 26. So you can see that this is what? 5p square minus 25p, okay, minus p plus what? 5 equals to what? 0. Because minus 25p minus p will give us minus 26p. Since the coefficient of p is minus 1, okay, that means minus 25 times minus 1 gives us what? 25. Okay, very simple. For our left hand side, what is common? Consider 5p is what? Common, because 5p is here and 5p can also go here, so it's common. Into 5p squared divided by 5p will give us what? P. 25p divided by 5p gives us what? Minus what? This is minus 25p divided by 5p gives us what? 5. Okay, so that 5p times 5, 5p times minus 5 gives us what? Minus 25p. Okay, that's good. From here, minus 1 is common into minus p divided by minus 1 gives us p. 5 divided by minus 1 gives us minus what? 5. All this equals to what? 0. So what is from here? What is common? Consider having p minus 5, p minus 5. So into p minus 5 is common. Okay. Then into we divide 5p into p minus 5 divided by p minus 5. What? 5 what? P. Minus 1 into p minus 5 divided by p minus 5 what? Minus 1. All this equals to what? 0. Now look at what you are going to do. They are going to solve for the value of what? P. Okay. Because in the product of this product of 2 times equals to 0, it means that one individually is equals to 0, or both of them are equals to 0. So you can see that p minus 5, p minus 5 is equals to what? 0, or 5p minus 1 is equals to what? 0. By adding 5 to both sides, that means from here p is equals to what? 5. this is the value of what? P. This is one of the value of P. Or by adding 1 to both sides, that means 5P is equals to what? 1. Then for us to add the value of P, you have to divide both sides by the coefficient of what? P, which is 5. Divide here by 5, divide here by 5. That means P is equals to 1 over what? 5. This is one of the value of what? P. So therefore, this implies that P is equals to 5 or 1 over what? 5. This is the value of what? P. Remember, we are not asked to solve for what? P. We are asked to find the value of what? X. Okay? So why are we solving for P? We are solving for P so that this problem can be what? Easily was solvable. That's the reason why we are solving for what? P. So let's remove this from here so that we can solve for the value of what? X. Okay? Remember that we say that let log what? Log y base x equals to what? P. Don't forget, very important. It was here. So let me remove this from here. Fine. Now we know that P is 5 and what? P is 5 and what? Minus 1. So when P is equals to 5, let's see when P is equals to what? 5. Let's find either way y or x. And this is what? Log y base x equals to what? 5 when P is equals to 5. That means 5 to the power of what? S to the power of 5 is equals to what? Y. What are we going to do again? Now let's go back to my equation what? 2. From equation 2, let's make what? Let's make y the subject of the formula. If we make y the subject of the formula, that means from here, if we make y the subject, that means we divide both sides by what? X. Okay? That means y from equation 2, that means y will be equals to what? 64 divided by what? X. By dividing both sides by what? X. Okay? You can call this equation what? Let me call this equation what? Equation 3. Okay? That's good. Now I want to put equation 3 in this place that you are seeing y. That means 5 to the power of 5, s to the power of 5 will equals to what? Look at in place of y, this is y, right? And y is equals to 64 divided by 5. So this is what? 64 divided by what? X. Okay? Then from here, we are going to cross multiply, right? So let's cross multiply. Our target is to find the value of what? X and y. Okay? Don't forget. So let me remove this from here. Don't forget that P is equals to what? P is equals to 5, 1 over what? 5. Very important. Okay? Because we are working when P is equals to 5, right? Now from here, if we cross multiply, we're going to see that we are going to have that s to the power of 5 multiplied by s equals to what? 60 what? 4. Now, since the bases are the same, we can add the index, right? So this will become what? S to the power of what? 5 plus what? 1. Because the index here is 1. Equals to what? 60 what? 4. We're going to have what? S to the power of what? 6 equals to what? 60 what? 4. Now, look at what we're going to do. Now, we know that to put 6 in index form, 64 index form, we know that 2 times 2 times 2 into 6 places is what? 64. So we have what? S to the power of 6 equals to what? 2 raised to the power of what? 6. 2 raised to the power of 6 simply means 64 because 6 times 6 into 6 places is what? 64. Now, since the power are the same, we can equate the bases, okay? Because since the power are the same, consider we can do without the power and equate the base, okay? So we can do without them. So now that S is equals to what? 2. This is the value of X. But also we are asked to find the value of X and the value of Y. We are getting the value of S as 2. So let's check from here. We can solve for what? Y from equation 3. From equation 3, we know that Y is equals to what? 64 divided by what? X. And we are getting that S is 2. That means Y will be equals to 64 divided by what? 2. And 64 divided by 2 gives us what? 32. That means our Y is equals to what? 32. This is the value of what? Y. Therefore, S is equals to what? 2 and Y equals to what? 32. And this is the clear solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and so share it to your loved ones or others who learn from it. So thank you so much.